Stop
Let's
getting
go
oil.
back in, Sean. Get
Go
back in.
Go home now.
No, like ready, I'm looking up engine honing and they're gonna be right up close.
Dude.
Oh, and look, they're gonna walk away.
Bro, that was pretty
They're
good.
gonna like.
No, it wasn't.
No?
I'm gonna see it. Ready?
The cross hatching is terrible. But hey, at least it has it.
No, this man's on a tripod. That doesn't count.
That's the first one, it's okay.
Okay, more oil.
Where's the other one? You knocked it all over.
They are so far away, dude. I can't.
Oh,
No.
they're so far away.
Hey, then.
Are we gonna get that again?
Yeah, make sure you go in the corner though. You know.
Yeah, make sure.
As his request, you know.
You're gonna fucking rip it off of me.
All the damn oiling can. Gotta make sure you get oil on the hose. Know that?
Yeah, there you go. See. Now you can see what's happening, right? No, you can't. Anyone watching this video, he'd be like,
Alright. Come on, get the oil in there, hurry up. Oh, yep, just put it on your hands, you know. Gotta make sure you're oil.
Good thing they can see that though, you know.
Yeah. Get closer, come on, get closer.
Yeah, get up here like you're supposed to.
It's time. Shut up!
I'm gonna beat your ass.
That's not how you record.
Okay. You gotta count. Who's counting? Because everyone's trying to.
Faster.
Turn the door open.
That's it. That was a lot better, actually.
See, now you
Look
maybe
at that
might
cross
be able
hatching.
to see the cross. Yeah, get right up.
Shut up.
I
mean, the cross hatching's not that great, but hey, it is what it is. Hey, don't look at that one. Don't look at that one.
Oh, wait.
That one's better. It still doesn't look. Get closer though. It looks terrible.
Oh, now you're talking to get closer. Yeah.
Oh,
I'm going
motherfucker.
home.
I'm honestly gonna
Dude,
beat your
leave.
ass.
Oh my gosh, I don't know how deep to go. Are you counting?
Good. That's much better.
That one looks better.
That one does look better. Shut up.
I'm just saying.
This is it. You do not do it anymore after this one. This is like,
It's
if you
boring,
fuck up, you fuck up. We're putting those pistons in. All right.
That's not good.
What's that? Are you like, is your finger like moving like as you're going, or is it just like?
Yeah, it's
Do you want me
possible.
to
It's,
fucking
yeah, it's
do it?
moving.
It's just like the speed just keeps changing.
No. You want to try? No, that's my idea. If I break it, I break it. You break it, you pay for it.
Pay for what?
New cylinders.
Junkyard engines.
New
That's what he's
motor
saying.
is. I'm gonna mess up these stones. That looks good. Still a little bit of a ridge, but it's fine.
Hold on.
Eventually. Good. 20-second intervals? Is that what it is?
I feel like the bottom was all like really good, and then the top one's a little fucked up.
Well, from your angle, maybe.
Wait, what is that?
It looks good from here. You
Dude,
could quickly
fine. The
touch.
cross hatching, yeah.
You could quickly, just quick.
I don't even know if I want to.
You could just leave it. I would say either one's fine. It's the fact that
It's
you
not
want,
a 45 degree, but I mean, it's still.
you want to hone because that seats the
the
rings
oil
better.
sticks to it, and
Yeah.
it makes it so they wear better, and for the first whatever miles.
So as long as you have it, that's really what you need.
Right.
So I mean, I'd say
Can you
you're
clean
good.
that for me? Because you didn't do anything else.
Oh my
Besides complain.
Complain.
Yeah, all you did
That's
was
what
bitch.
you did.
That is
Swear
all
to
you,
God.
all you did.
No.
She tried. It was
Okay,
real.
tell us one thing just besides that when you were helpful.
When? I filmed part of it. But they're
What
not
part?
gonna
The
include
part
that.
we're not gonna put in
Not
the
gonna
video?
include that though, right?
Right. Right. Alright.
The part where you were bitching the whole time.
Yeah, he was me. He was the same thing. He was gonna yell at. What is this?
You guys better get that motor fixed.
It was never broken.
It was never broken.
Cameron, you need to take the trash out.
What's trash?
Here.
Alright, you're trash. Let's take it out. Oh, okay. Okay, it's a
You laughed at
90
my
horsepower,
joke.
90 horsepower TDI.
Hey,
With the double that don't work.
it works. Just don't go anywhere.
Don't go.
That doesn't fucking work.
Really?
I'll zip hands back. Oh, you could just return this, you know.
Oh, yeah, I'd rather just keep it. That's fine.
Like Cameron keeping something that he can return? That is unheard of.
I bought it online.
Oh.
No, I did get it on Advanced Auto's website though. AdvancedAuto.com.
You'd be
Forward
like, it
slash.
didn't work.
.com. No.
Be like, it didn't
It
work.
was
I
not
needed to
sponsored by
return.
Advanced Auto.
No, fucking man.
See, we're already being filmed on camera. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, yo.
Which ones have you cleaned? Which ones have you not cleaned?
I did not clean any. I only cleaned the head. Surface. We're gonna knock this oil over. We need to put the cap on it. Always put the cap on your oil because you're always gonna knock it over. It's testing.
You're gonna dumb looking at them. I'm like,
And Drew.
You got a knife?
Got a knife for you? No.
I can cut my wrist.
your waist?
I'm not getting it.
No, I got to the zip.
Why? No, it's fine. Are you literally gonna try to return it?
No, I was just
Oh, okay.
so it doesn't like.
That's kind of cool. Let's put it back in the package and then put it. Oh, it's cracking.
No, you'll yell at
Just be
me
like,
if I
"Oh,
try
it
to put
didn't
it back in
work."
the package. So
Go put it back in the package. Don't rip the zip tie though.
how do I rip
no,
the zip tie?
no, don't
Tell
mess
me how I
up.
rip
Don't
the
mess
zip
up the
tie.
staples in the
Oh,
package.
I kind of poke it off.
I'm just kidding. This is not really at this point. Whoa! You know, just put it on the dirt.
Oh, I'm sorry. Not your like your oil
Here's my-
coolers up there, your pulleys.
Yeah, take the oil and throw it in the trash. I don't need it anymore.
Oh, you get rid of that?
Yeah. Because I'm putting a bigger oil cooler. It's like a radiator at this point. A radiator.
It's like one big ass radiator.
Like a small radiator, but it's bigger than that. What is that? Actually, no, it is like a radiator. The one I threw away is the same exact size. It's all in the same spot. Same spot. I threw it away.
Oh, yeah.
I did. I mean,
That's it.
I kind of want to see how easy it's gonna be to put my pistons in because I don't have anything to put them
Do
in.
you
I'm
have
just
a
gonna-
ring
I
compressor?
don't have anything to put them in. I'm just gonna.
You don't have a fucking ring compressor?
I've seen people.
No,
do
dude,
I know people
humble
do
mechanic,
it.
he
People
hits
do.
it,
Yeah.
Yeah.
He literally just taps it in and pushes them in.
Just don't they go in an angle? In?
Yeah, they go in an angle. You can't use a ring compressor. They have a special one that
Yeah.
you can buy, but it's like stupid expensive. I probably get a 3D printed one, but it's too much film.
Oh.
Oh, look at this dude's face. He's like, what? Let me go get a piston.
Okay, you go get the piston. No, this hunting is good. This
I need to take my here. Hey Drew, person that didn't do anything. You want to open the door for me?
Take your glove off.
No.
You want to take the whole
These
with
were
you?
expensive Meyer gloves.
The expensive Meyer gloves. Those two things do not add up.
Oh yeah, touch the door right after then. You see him? He closes the door with the oily glove.
Just making sure that there's not a whole lot of oil sitting on these edges. So we don't have oil mixing with cooler. Because that would fucking suck. Yum yum,
Might as well
open
open
the
it.
door.
I'll already touch the other side. I saw you close it with oil as well. I know
I
you're very
did. I hit it.
touchy.
I do. You know how many ways there is to close the door? See, I showed my foot. Yeah, your wrist. Is that like that? No. Cylinder 1. You can't just put them anywhere.
You have new rings.
It doesn't matter.
And you just.
You can put
Never
them
mind, just-
anywhere. Okay.
You have new rings.
Shut up! It doesn't
just
matter.
throw it in there.
Still putting it in the same
You
spot.
can pull it right back out. Is that the new rings or the old ones?
I put the old rings back on.
I didn't know if you took them off.
You put the old rings back on?
Okay, so where's cylinder 1? I think this is cylinder 1. What? How am I looking at this engine?
No, he's got the new ones.
Where's the back?
The back is here because this is where the.
That's the front. That's the front. So this is 1. That. And then it goes that way. Okay. Wow, that's close.
It's not gonna fit.
It's not going to work. Oh, gotta take the connecting wire tabs off. I torqued them on. You can get that one, I get this one. Speed!
Oh yeah.
Could've just got the inside. There's hair all over it. See? This is why I don't let dogs in the room. You just
Why
let
are you
them
looking at me? Yeah, I don't live here.
You pick them up and put them on the bed.
Okay, your pistons on
You
your
do
bed.
that too.
Not since you've had pistons on it in your room.
I know you see all his hair. Dude, I can't get this off. Here, leave it flush. There you go. Nope, leave it flush.
I am leaving it flush.
No,
You're
you're
the one
not.
who's fucking pulling it
You're
apart.
being retarded. His hair's bugging me.
Deep.
Do you mind? Oh wait. Whoa. Okay, so that one goes back in there, and then hold on, let go.
What are you doing?
How does this work?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
right there. It's that
So
way.
it's this way.
Oh, what?
Then it's that way.
It's this
I'll
way.
hold it right here.
It's this way.
Like this way. Perfect.
That way. Make sure my rings are aligned. Make sure they're got one here, one there, and one on that side. Okay, bet. Wait, which way did I?
Oh, yeah.
This way?
What was the
Here,
line?
give me this.
Look at
Shut up.
the line's on that side. Wait.
This way.
Yeah. You just dropped it.
That's fine.
You didn't even touch it yet.
These came out the top. Why aren't they going back in? Okay, there we go.
Because they don't like you.
Right? Dang, that's tall. That's toy.
Toy like a toy.
Can you feel it? Like a little bit of it?
Yeah, you
Yeah,
can.
there's still a ridge. Okay,
Literally.
oil, moss oil.
This
Not
one
assembly.
or?
I guess assembly will work.
Alright.
You have oil all over your hands.
What?
Should have just used oil. Nice and blue.
It's fine. It's assembling.
It works. Go.
The ridge was like, nope, not happening today. Oh, this is hard.
Yeah, it's not gonna be easy. Cameron, they fit.
The next one is not.
Cameron,
Huh?
they fit.
Huh?
The piston fits. Call it good.
No, I'm putting the piston in.
Why? You're gonna have to take it right back out.
Why? The crankshaft goes in the top.
It goes on the bottom, but
Are
you
you
still need your.
retarded? It's fine.
Whatever, bro. Whatever.
And you kind of thought to a second, and you're like, oh shit. Yeah, you're
No,
right. Yeah.
I did not think shit.
You did. You know, you were retarded.
No, wait.
Oh my God. That's what's happening to this one. Oh, you hear that?
Yeah.
Note to self.
I don't think it's this. Yeah, it's not.
Get a ring compressor next time.
They won't be next time because you won't have no
Should
internet
that?
anymore.
This side. Just have that side down, because then once it's in, it won't pop back out. Wait, what do you do?
My fingers are gonna be gone.
Wait, just push this side in, because that goes in first, so it won't come back out.
You can't just push the whole side in.
No,
bud.
I'm
it doesn't
talking
go
put-
in sideways.
No, I swear, I watched the video. I swear to
The
God.
piston is sideways.
Yeah.
Wrench. No, I'm just kidding. I need a screwdriver. Push that in, Tom. My fingertips are gone. I can't feel them anymore. The bottom ring. The oil ring.
Can we tap it? Shouldn't it just like, yeah, pop down? Yeah, you go.
Stop. You're messing up the ring.
Out, my finger. Just push.
I'm pushing as hard as I
Push.
can. Oh.
No, you're not.
Too far.
I had a baby.
Here, you just hold. I'll hold this side. You push. Tap it down.
Okay, you push, I tap.
Yeah, go. It's like,
You probably got it all the way, right?
I can't even push with my
Do
finger
you
down
see?
there.
Yeah, it's because you didn't push in
Mine-
the beginning.
Hit my finger with your. Here, go back up. Oh, that okay.
Dude, that hurts so bad. Oh
I
my
go.
gosh.
My finger gets pinched.
Push in from that side. No.
Wait. Oh,
Don't
wait. No,
push,
no,
Tom.
no. It's pushing. Yeah,
Tom,
just pushing this side out.
I'm pushing.
Okay, just get this side
push
in.
it
Okay, no, you gotta, on this ring, you gotta push that way because it closes right here.
Oh, it's right there.
Right there. So push that way.
Okay, wait. Is that okay? It's kind of. Oh, wait.
No, it's not.
There. There. Okay, go.
End the video.
It is
End the video. Video done.
I swear, go. I swear, God, you can see the gap. You gotta push it though.
Oh my
I
god.
gotta go on the other side.
Mother. Ow.
Fuck.